Alright, just got my aquarium in the mail. It was well secure. It came in an actual wooden little box. And Aquacraft, this is about 10 inches by 10 by 10 across. It's gonna be about 13 and a half. So it's 10 by 10 by 10, right? It's a beautiful little aquarium that we're gonna use. We're gonna fill it with water. We're gonna set it up and we're gonna do aquascaping on here. So let's start. You don't want to overdo it too much, because if you do, it'll be too heavy to transport or move anywhere. So this is clay, what we're doing the bottom. Now we're going to do gravel or sand. Here we have gravel that we're going to put at the end, because I like to put a layer of sand over it, make sure it's compact. This is heavy. Oh, that's overdoing it. But it's okay, it's okay. Yeah. We got that going. Now we put our little gravel. We're gonna add water, just a little bit of water right now. A little bit more gravel here. And that's where I can see the water going through here, all the way down. Let it drip a little bit. And there are different types of plants in here. Here's one of them with the roots. All right. This is one of them. This is the other one here. That's two. So we're pretty much done with our aquarium. We're gonna wait a couple of days before we actually add any plant line, more animals. We're gonna see if these plants survive. We're not gonna change through. This is tap water. We're also gonna dechlorize, remove the chlorine out of it. Making sure that I put the softener too before I put any kind of creatures in here. Look how beautiful the plants look right now. In a couple of days, we're gonna add our creatures. We're gonna dechlorize the water. This is perfect for offices, small enclosures, small areas, apartments, private areas. This is perfect. You could do your own aquascaping and buy your own plants, even grow them in here. Now, this glass, it's gonna last you a long time, but I recommend you keep it indoors. If it's hot throughout the day, it could shatter the glass. Silicone's nice and tight, no cuts or anything like that. It's perfectly shaved. And of course, we're gonna keep monitoring and let the plants do its thing and come back in a couple of days and see how they look. So very simple to put together. This aquarium ready to go out of the box, well secure. Hope you guys enjoy the video.